Okay, now you open the Arduino IDE board manager, and then under preference, go to file preference, and you add additional board manager, the URL, and you type it in here. Okay, here you put the URL that is on the description of the video. Okay, now you go to tools, actually board manager, and you type and you search for RP2040, okay, which should appear under Raspberry Pi RP2040 as I'm showing you here, and then you install that one. Okay, Earle, the board by Earle Philhower, I don't know how to pronounce it. Okay, so now once that is done, you go and select the Pico board. Now you're going to select the Pico board W or H. Okay, so now it's the final part. You go to Tool, Board, and you go all the way down, and then you choose the Raspberry Pi Pico. In my case, I use Pico W because it's Wi-Fi. Okay, so okay, now after we've set up the Pico W Wi-Fi on the Arduino IDE, we're going to start to organize a fade-in LED with the PWM. Okay, so remember that the longer leg is positive and the shorter leg is negative. So I'm going to put the positive on the GPIO. In this case is a GPIO 15. The Pico hasn't got numbers on the pin. They have it on the other side. So, but I can't work when it's upside down. So I bought a breadboard with the Pico numbers. As you can see here, it's got all the Pico number. Okay. So now we're going to put the pin GPIO 15. There it is. It's easy one. There is no need of wiring or whatever. There it is, 15. Okay, and then we need to put a resistor. Okay, I'm using a 220 ohm resistor. Okay, and we're going to put it from here, which is the negative leg, to the railing ground. Okay, this is the ground and the pin number there. There it is. Okay, you can see the pins. I think it says there. Maybe not enough light. Okay, so this is the VCC and the ground. Okay, so now we're going to plug it in and see the reaction. You got to keep this button pressed, the BOOTSEL, while you plug it in, and then release it. Okay. Okay. So, okay, let's have a look. Now we go to alright, we're going to change this one, and we're going to make it 100. So it's going to flash faster. So this fade increment will bring it up or down. You see here, say not connected. So let's have a look. We use the UF2 board, okay, which is the driver, and then you Okay, let's see what happened now. Once you press the BOOTSEL, the button, your COM port will be, it will show the UF2, so you got to choose that one first. Then once you upload the sketch, you can change to the COM, your COM. Okay, so for example, in my case, I use COM 21. I don't know in your case which one would be, but then you select that one. Okay, so now we're going to change splashing. See, now this is the COM port will be COM 21 in this case. So now you set it to COM port 21 and you'll see that it's correct on the COM port. Then let's go and have a look what happened now, you see. Okay, so now it's flashing very fast. Almost too fast for the camera. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to fade it less. So we're going to put 10. Okay, and now it'll go faster now because we've done the I'm going to reset it to 10. You can see here I put 10 now instead of 100. Here we are. Now it's coming. It's a bit slow, but yeah. Okay, now it's fading slower, much slower, as you can see. I put it on 10, but you can put it on 50 and it will go much slower. So it will take in between its time. Okay, so this is it's a fun school project. Okay guys, thank you. I hope you enjoy. Have a good day.